Hey everybody, Dr. Shawn Talbott here. Hey, welcome to the start of a new project, or maybe the continuation of an old project, which has become new again. So I'm in the process of rebuilding my entire YouTube library. And the reason for that is that, all this research around the microbiome and the gut-brain axis and the heart-brain axis and the newly emerging skin-brain axis is completely changing everything that we've done over the last 8 years, 9 years, 10 years. So much so that I talk about this on my weekly coaching calls with my certified mental wellness coaches about how fast the scientific field is changing. Literally every single week, hundreds of studies come out every single week in one of these areas about the microbiome or the gut-brain axis and how it can change how we feel and how we perform. And so what I'm going to be doing is this new project that I'm calling the Mental Mug. Every day that I do this, and I'm going to do it several times a week, we're going to talk about a different aspect of mental wellness, and you're going to see it here. Today is all about reset, where we're going to talk about some of these changes and what the new science is. The new science today is a lot different than it was 5 years, 7 years, 10 years ago. So I'm going to have a cup of coffee and talk. You're going to learn about an important aspect of mental wellness. It could be about which probiotic strains have which benefits. It could be about what probiotic or prebiotic fibers do and how to combine those prebiotic fibers in the most efficient way. It could be about how to select the right adaptogens or nootropics or psychobiotics to level up your performance in whatever way is important for you. It could be about different lifestyle techniques and which are the most effective and science-based to improve your energy and your mood and your sleep quality and your stress levels and things like that. I'm also going to be doing deep dives into which ingredients are science-backed and how to find them, how to find the products that include those science-based ingredients. So please subscribe below so you get all the updates. Please ask questions and please post your comments so I know how to guide these different videos that we're going to be doing. It's a wholesale reset of my entire YouTube library, and I want you guys to be a part of it. So we're going to come together, we're going to get all of our questions answered, and we're going to level ourselves up at levels that we didn't even think were possible. Okay? I'll see you. Bye-bye.